This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use QuickBooks for lawn care. First, begin by customizing your chart of accounts to precisely categorize all income and expenses. Next, establish detailed customer profiles, including essential contact information and service locations. Finally, meticulously record every service you provide, whether it is routine mowing, specialized fertilizing, or comprehensive landscaping projects. This foundational setup ensures your financial records are organized from day one. Effectively manage your finances by categorizing all income sources, from regular weekly mowing to larger seasonal cleanups. Be sure to log every expense, including fuel for your vehicles, new equipment purchases, and employee wages. It is crucial to reconcile your bank accounts monthly. This simple step helps ensure all transactions are accurately recorded and your financial statements are precise. This practice provides a clear picture of your business's cash flow. Creating professional invoices is straightforward. Generate detailed bills for all services provided to your clients. For efficiency, send these invoices electronically, which often leads to faster delivery and quicker payments. Always track any outstanding invoices to follow up as needed and promptly record all customer payments as they arrive. This ensures your accounts receivable are always up to date and accurate, improving cash flow. Gain valuable insights into your business by regularly running key reports. Utilize profit and loss reports to clearly understand your financial health and overall profitability. Analyze customer reports to identify your most valuable clients and understand service demand. These powerful reports empower you to make informed decisions regarding pricing strategies, service offerings, and future business growth, ensuring long-term success and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.